Ira's9.9 with the morning flash update. It's updated in the morning of Monday, the 26th of August, 2024. Remember that we have right around the corner Labor Day, so you'll start seeing some thinning out of the markets at the end of the week. This is an interesting week leading into September. September is notoriously one of the weakest months, if not the weakest month of the year. For typically markets, down almost a full point on average if you go back to World War II. I think it's 0.78. You're up today in the dollar, down a little bit in a number of the currencies. I question if the euro isn't going to be a buy on this break against the dollar. You're still rallying a little bit in the cotton, but you're up into important resistance. In the grain markets, these are new lows in many of them for the move. The question is, will it gain traction, or are we going to sooner rather than later start talking about harvest lows? Bonds and notes getting a small bid. You did get back to the 65,000 level in Bitcoin today. And as I said, most metals are higher as you look at this. The situation over the weekend, we saw that Hezbollah did take what they claim the first step in a measured attack. Israel, using U.S. intelligence in part, as it turns out, made a preemptive strike on Lebanon with over 100 jets hitting a number of areas. They claim they took out over 1,000 missile launchers. Still, about 300 missiles and drones were shot at military installations. Israel struck military installations. So any way you want to cut it, it's a measured attack by both. Both will claim some victory, and Hezbollah can claim they got their pound of flesh, in part, as one Israeli was killed off of this. And that's in response to Israel striking in, if you remember, Lebanon, Beirut, and taking out a key Hezbollah leader. So we'll see if that takes on any more meaning than it has. Keep your eye, as I said, on everything here. In terms of the day's news, you did get advanced durable goods. They came out up 9.9%. That's almost double what they thought they were going to get. And if you look at it, ex-transportation down 0.2. The prior month was up 0.5. And ex-defense, this is good. You're up 10.4%. So it wasn't defensive orders. The public bought some goods, and I think that's a good sign overall for the economy. And now, of course, everybody's going to play the game of what's the Fed going to do, when they're going to do it, how often they're going to cut rates. That is the game that you're playing, and we'll see how this market goes, especially on breaks. How well supported does the market get expecting that first cut? And from here, it's about 3 weeks away. I'm Ira's9.9. I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day. Have a great trading day. See you at the end of the day reviews.